Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this 3D food cart over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just first of all, I'll just go into the edges. I'll select all of this edges and I'll just scale it. Alright. Let's go into the front view. Sorry, the side view. Let's take a line. So before that, I'll go to the top view over here and I'll draw a shape over here for this handles. Select the vertices and let's go into the fillet and let's give a bit of fillet over here. Go into rendering, enable in viewport and let's increase its thickness over here. After that, slightly we'll just push this up, go into the vertices, shuffle this up and now convert to editable poly. So let's convert to editable poly. Let's put one connect over here. Select the polygons and let's give extrude by local normal. So select the polygons, let's give extrude. After that, again go over here, let's take again a box over here. I'll activate this auto grid. Increase its height a bit. So convert to editable poly, select the polygons. Let's give a bit of inset and give a bit of extrude. So go into the vertices, slightly adjust that part. So now I'll go again over here, I'll just save the file. Let's give some edges, some segments over here. So I'll first scale this. Let's make it more straighter. Let's put one edge over here. So select this polygons. Give a bit of inset. Click OK. Select this. Give a bit of inset. Click OK. Again select this. Give a bit of slight extrusion. Click OK. Slightly you can scale it if required. So select make a sphere right from the top view over here. So reduce its radius and reduce its segments. Convert to editable poly. So select the polygons over here. delete this, select the border, cap it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just select the polygons, slightly you can insert it and extrude it down a bit. Scale this. Shift and drag, make a copy of it. Now, again I'll go over here. I can select this edges. I'll slightly shift this and I'll put one swift loop again. Select the polygons, extrude it down. So we are creating such kind of sausages. For that, what I can use over here is like, I can use a capsule or a oil tank, anything you can use. So I'll just rotate it. So reduce the radius and reduce the height over here. So just again reduce the radius. Push this up. You can do some modifications if required, or else that's fine. So let's just duplicate it. Okay. So I'll just select this and I'll just give a color to it. After that, let's go over here. Let's take a line tool. Let's just take a line tool over here. So just put this kind of support. So this is for the support part. So I'll go into this. I'll just select the vertices. I'll slightly increase it up. Increase its thickness. So let's convert to editable poly and so select, again give a swift loop over here. Select the polygons and let's give a bit of extrude. Alright, so let's just duplicate this. We'll keep this a bit over here. We'll come to the details later on. So first we'll model this bottles also. So for that, let's take a line tool over here. I'll off this enable in viewport. Alright, so select this. just give fillet. Give a bit of fillet over here also. And let's give a lathe modifier. And over here, go into the vertices. So I'll just scale it a bit over here. And I'll just push this up. Duplicate that. Alright. So just save your file again. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.